Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling one of the absolute most powerful financial decisions you're ever going to make. What if I told you that buying the right used car isn't just about, getting from point A to point B, it is actually a massive wealth-building maneuver. We are going to look exactly at how to save $20,000 today by making the absolute smartest choices out there on the used car lot. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. What if spending 20 grand today actually saved you thousands of dollars down the line? I know, it sounds totally counterintuitive, right? Like, how does spending a big chunk of cash actually keep money in your pocket? Well, the truth is, not every used car out there is a bargain. But if we frame this purchase as a strategic financial hack, instead of just, settling for less, spending exactly this amount today can completely prevent a total financial nightmare tomorrow.
So, that magic number? It's exactly $20,000. In today's wild market, this budget is the absolute sweet spot. Think about it. Spending exactly this amount wisely on the right car helps you completely dodge the massive, crippling depreciation of buying brand new. I mean, you literally lose 20% of the value the second you drive a new car off the lot. No way. Plus, at 20 grand, you're also steering clear of the endless, painful repair costs of some dirt-cheap clunker. You are locking in long-term reliability.
Just look at this comparison for a second. On one side, you've got those flashy cars. They look amazing at the dealership, maybe they give you a little status boost, but man, they turn into massive financial traps just a few months later when those massive repair bills start hitting. But then, on the other side, you have the unsung heroes. These are the vehicles that just quietly rack up 200,000, maybe even 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat, needing nothing more than routine maintenance. That is exactly how you keep 20 grand in your pocket over the next 5 years.
All right, let's kick off our high-speed countdown with our first category, tech, style, and capability.
Securing our number 10 and number 9 spots are the Hyundai Elantra and the Kia Forte. Look, if you want a modern sedan that's just loaded with features, these two are offering incredible bang for your buck. We're talking Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, blind spot monitoring, backup cameras, the whole shebang. So why are they so affordable? Well, it's simple. They just don't carry that massive resale premium of a Toyota or a Honda. And that's great news for us, because for your $20,000 budget, you're getting lower mileage, way newer tech, a surprisingly premium interior, and very often a good chunk of the factory warranty still left.
Coming in at number 8, we've got the Subaru Crosstrek. Listen, if you need all-wheel drive, this is exactly where the Crosstrek steps up. Whether you're dealing with brutal winters in Minnesota, upstate New York, or Colorado, this thing is the ultimate snow warrior. It'll comfortably get you through a total blizzard, but the best part? It still returns seriously impressive fuel economy, so you don't have to sacrifice your wallet at the gas pump just to survive your winter commute.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is our number 7 pick, the Mazda CX-5. If you're wondering what the absolute most premium SUV under 20 grand is, well, look no further. The cabin in this thing feels way closer to an entry-level luxury SUV than some economy crossover. You add in that responsive steering, a really comfortable ride, and Mazda's consistently bulletproof reliability, you've got a vehicle that feels honestly thousands of dollars more expensive than it actually is.
Let's shift gears for a minute and check out our next category, the fuel efficiency kings.
Covering spots number 6 down to number 4, these are the rides that are going to drastically cut your daily operating costs and keep more of your hard-earned money in your bank account. Just let this massive number sink in for a second, 50 miles per gallon. That is huge. And it brings us to our number 6 pick, the Toyota Prius. Now sure, some people might think the Prius is your bit boring. Well, right up until they realize they're spending literally half as much on gas as everyone else on the road. If you've got a long commute, a Prius is going to save you thousands of dollars over its life. Oh, and those hybrid batteries? Don't even sweat it. They've proven to last way longer than most buyers expect.
Taking the number 5 spot, it's the Honda Civic. I mean, there is a reason you see these cars absolutely everywhere. They are universally dependable, super easy to maintain, and incredible on gas. Buying a Civic is the very definition of buying smart. But let's contrast that everyday dependability with our number 4 pick, the Mazda 3. Guys, this is the hidden luxury gem of the compact car market. It mixes this premium luxury-style interior with really sharp handling and fantastic reliability. It's a real game changer that feels like it should easily cost several $1,000s more.
Okay, we have made it to the final tier, the top 3, the bulletproof reliability legends.
If your ultimate goal is to totally eliminate repair anxiety and make sure your $20,000 investment stands the test of time, these are the cars that make it happen. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Honda Accord. Honestly, if you need space, the Accord is incredibly hard to beat. Just listen to these highlights: a massive trunk, generous legroom for the passengers, and a remarkably quiet ride. For families, daily commuters, or those long road trips, the Accord just provides this effortless highway driving experience. Very few midsize sedans give you this much sheer value and space for under 20 grand.
And this brilliantly illustrates why our number 2 pick is so special. The Toyota Corolla, 250,000 miles. Mechanics, insurance companies, and everyday drivers absolutely love this car because it clears 250,000 miles like it's nothing. The replacement parts are so cheap you can practically buy them at the grocery store. I mean, it keeps your maintenance costs sitting right near zero. It has earned one of the strongest reputations for reliability in the entire history of cars. If absolute peace of mind is what you're after, this is for sure one of the safest bets you can make.
Drum roll, please. That brings us to our number 1 spot. The ultimate pick, the Toyota Camry. Listen, if you were to ask me for just one single used car recommendation under 20 grand, this would undoubtedly be it. It might not be the flashiest thing on the road, but the Camry gives you this totally unbeatable balance. You get outstanding reliability, an incredibly comfortable ride, and just proven bulletproof longevity. Between the low repair costs, the great fuel economy, and strong resale value, honestly, very few cars come close to this level of sheer value.
So the crucial point is right here. Take a look at this comparison. Whether you need the spacious and quiet family cruiser in the Accord, the maximum reliability and cheap parts of the Corolla, or the ultimate overall balance of the Camry, choosing any of these top 3 is the very definition of buying smart over buying flashy. This is exactly how you protect your hard-earned cash.
Moving on, let's talk about the crucial steps before buying.
Let's move to and see how this builds your defense, because knowing which car to buy is really only half the battle. You have to know how to protect that $20,000 investment. Here are 5 non-negotiable steps you've got to take. Number 1, always check the vehicle history report. Number 2, get a pre-purchase inspection, and I mean from an independent mechanic, not the dealer's guy. Number 3, absolutely avoid flood-damaged or rebuilt title vehicles. Just walk away. Number 4, thoroughly review those maintenance records. And finally, number 5, take a long test drive. Get it out on city streets, but also get it up to highway speeds. Seriously, following this simple checklist will literally save you thousands of dollars down the road.
Which brings us to our final question to wrap things up. Is your next car going to be a liability, or is it a $20,000 wealth-building hack? By choosing a ride known for massive reliability and longevity instead of just, flashy looks, you are setting yourself up for serious long-term financial success. I would love to know where you stand on this. Which of these cars would you park in your own garage? Or, hey, did we miss a hidden gem that absolutely deserves to be on this list? Drop a comment with your top choice. And as always, keep learning, keep analyzing, and make your money work for you. We'll see you in the next explainer.